With Abukai, staff can capture receipts in seconds from anywhere. Abukai's patented receipt recognition technology then generates the expense report automatically for your staff, completely eliminating the need for manual expense data entry. Abukai also offers convenient online access for staff members, finance teams, and/or accountants to review expenses, retrieve old reports or receipts for audits, make edits, or run statistics. Additional corporate modules are available to provide complex approval flows, entity-based management for multinationals, automatic corporate card reconciliation, or ERP integration to scale and tailor the solution for any size business. With Abukai, completing expense reports becomes a delight, finished on time rather than a chore. Contact us today at sales@abukai.com to discuss your needs and how Abukai expenses may help your business become more productive.